Today I'm here with Radium airdrop worth of 100k USD. As you know, the token is listed in Binance.com today. It is one of the topest DEX exchanges in Solana blockchain. The first 4,000 people who complete the task will receive $10 worth of RAY tokens. The lucky draw, which consists of 3 winners worth of $1,000 each, 15 winners $300 each, 100 winners $100 each, 250 winners $50 each, and 4,000 winners $20 each. Also, the top 5 referrers will receive $2,000 worth of RAY tokens. Now we can go to the airdrop link. Better use a PC. If you are using a phone, better use desktop mode. I am using Solid wallet here. Already I had filled Sol tokens inside it. Don't forget to back up the Solid wallet recovery phase. Just connect the wallet. The first step is that you need to do a swap in Radium. Just connect the wallet. I had already deposited Sol tokens. So I am going to swap Sol tokens into Radium token. I am using 1% slippage here. I am going to swap 0.75 Sol tokens to 7.2 RAY tokens. Only a single step, hitting of approval button required to swap. Just wait for the confirmation. You can see the Sol tokens get converted into RAY tokens. I'm just doing it reversely in order to get back the Sol tokens. Again hit the approve button. Now we can go for the second step, which is you need to tweet the tweet provided by them. Just hit the button, tweet the tweet which contains your referral link. Come back to the page. The third step is that you need to follow the Radium's Twitter account. Hit the follow button. And follow the Radium's Twitter account. You can see your referral link here. You must need to refer a single person in order to eligible for the airdrop. Now join the Radium's Discord account. It's the final step. Hit on the accept invite button. You will be redirected to Discord. Hit on the verification emoji provided in the entry rules page. Also go to the verification page. Just enter the message #tick verification. Sometimes you may automatically get verified. If not, you just check the server CAPTCHA bot personal message. Is there any CAPTCHA needed to be solved or not? Okay, you can come back and see the details of the airdrop. The first 4,000 users will receive the guaranteed $10 airdrop. But the lucky entries are very important, that it is providing more than 5,000 users lucky entries. So don't miss it even if you are late. For more airdrops, please keep subscribing our channel and don't forget to turn on notification of our Telegram channel. Thank you and have a nice day.